what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on my brother-in-law's F-150. He's been having some kind of steering issues with it. He says it feels like the wheel is about to fall off. So I checked it out for him the other day, and it looked like the wheel bearing is going out. It is full-wheel drive, and he had wheel spacers on there before on 33s. And wheel spacers are great if they're done right, but over time they do wear out your suspension a little bit quicker. So I think that may contribute to the wheel hub going out. So today we are replacing that. All right, so let's get right to it, and let's see how bad this really is. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take these bolts off first, and I'm gonna be using the Earthquake XT, the little stubby, on a 21mm swivel socket. Head right there with the hammer. We need to take this dust cap off also. Ford does recommend you guys replace this with a new one. I'm gonna try not to damage it and get behind there and just pull it off. Use a pry bar and just pry it off. This is a 15mm. Now on the back side, we need to get these studs off at the back. Basically we need to get these 4 bolts off the back side, 2 over here and 2 on the other side. It's a little bit more difficult. You can reach this one with a deep socket, 18mm, but this one, the bottom, it hits right here, so there's no room because the socket, the wrench hits right here on the lower control arm. So what we can do is just turn the wheel. Once you get all 4 bolts off, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the Allen head for the wheel speed sensor and take this off. It's actually a 5mm Allen head. Pull the sensor out of there. Just reuse the same one, just move it off to the side. So this is the one my brother-in-law went with. It's a complete assembly. This is the new one. It does come with a new harness and connector. So before we install the new hub, we need to remove the vacuum hose off the back. We need to pull this off because these four-wheel drive is vacuum activated, and we need to add vacuum. We need to apply vacuum to this top little port here, and what that's gonna do is that's gonna pull, I don't know if you can see this, guys, but inside here, this geared ring here is what splines the four-wheel drive here. Now when I go to put this hub in, this needs to be flushed. See how I can move back? So when I apply vacuum, it's gonna pull this ring back, allowing this hub to sit flush here. and then I can go ahead and put the bolts on and make sure it's gonna sit on flush. But yeah, I need to go ahead and apply a vacuum to this and retract this ring back. I'm gonna be using this brake bleeder I have. Now, you can use a handheld bleeder, that works as well, but I'm gonna be using this. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the big one, like this. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead, hook up my air to it, and as I squeeze the trigger and add vacuum to that back port, you'll see that ring retract in. So as you saw it go in, now if I remove the vacuum source from the back, you'll see it come right back out. So that's gonna keep me from installing the hub. Okay, go ahead and get our new hub. So with vacuum applied, you're not gonna have any four-wheel drive. The axle is not gonna move. Now, if we remove the vacuum, now we have four-wheel drive. So once you do that, you'll know you installed it right. Go ahead and install this back on, and we can repeat go on and just reverse order, and we're good to go. So the factory connector does not fit with this one. You have to reuse this one. So all I gotta do is just trace the lines all the way up. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. The hub bearing's in. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.